Alright, today my people, today I'm going to teach you how to play Igbo by late Chief Osita Osadebe. Igbo. This song is very good and sweet for my own ear, so I decided to do the tutorial for you to see some rhythm they play on that song. Igbo, 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 Hajaru. Odogwu onye ajụjeziri ọlụ oyibo ọlụ n'ọbọnwụ. So let me teach you how to play this song. First of all, I'm going to teach you how to play it by vamping. Then I'm going to teach you how to play bass line, and I'm going to teach you the first solo they played it. So concentrate and pay very attention on this song. So let me put beat. Another thing that I'm going to teach you is how to solo the song. What little person played is very simple. Mi so do, fa la do, so fa do. So that's what the lead is playing, apart from the soloing. So that's what I'm playing. So this is how to play the particular rhythm, or you play. So let me play the solo maybe here. To solo it. So this is the normal soloing of it.